Okay, we have arrived to the end, and this is where hopefully you can share your project and you can be proud of it and share it with everybody else. So what we're going to use is something called Netlify, which is a super awesome service that lets you, not Netflix, search for Netflix, are you for real? Netlify. This is a platform that lets you serve these static HTML and CSS files. So if you have any HTML and CSS files, you can get started for free. You don't have to pay for anything. So you can click on Get Started for free, make your account. I'm just going to log into mine really quickly. I believe I have it connected to my GitHub. So as you can see, here are all my projects that I did over the times. And to actually get started, all you need to do is literally just grab one and drag it. So we can grab Travelly here or Alina Joy and just drop it down here. And as you can see, it's going to deploy it for us and done. We can click here and take a look. Boom, we have our website fully working. How cool is this? Perfect. We can do the same with the other one. So as you can see, the image loaded there a bit. So we can also optimize this. So make sure to do that as well. Let's try another one. Let's go back here. We can go our latest one that we did, which is our portfolio, drop it in here. And what you can do now that you have that site live, let's click here. Let's take a look, make sure this is working. It's working properly. Can we navigate? We can even navigate. Okay, perfect. So now that you have all of these live, you can drag all of them. What you can do is you can go back to this website and you can link basically these projects. So you can go back to my name here and you can go to Alina Joy and you can copy this over and add it to your project. So your portfolio, you can go here to the index.html and you can go navigate all the way up here, actually to the projects, all the way up here. And here where you have the Alina Joy, you can drop this in an A tag like this and link it. Okay, so you can link it in there. I'm gonna remove it for now because you're probably gonna have a different link than me. And then you can redeploy it. And the way you can redeploy it, so you can save the code that you did in the portfolio. And then all you need to do is go to deploys here and you can redrag it here and it's automatically going to update and see all the changes that you did. So super awesome, super simple. Yeah, it just works magically. They also have a forms here. So you can also add this. All you need to do is literally just add Netlify. So if you don't want to use FormSpree, you can do it with this as well. And you're going to get all the messages in here. So I think you're going to get a notification up here. So you can use this as well. It's very simple. I believe you just need to add Netlify here and yeah, you just deploy it on Netlify. Lastly, we can go to settings and we're going to take a look here at the, let's take a look, build and deploy. Let's click on this and we can see that there's asset optimization here. So we can edit settings and we can leave this enabled, and as you can see, it automatically does all of these different things for us. Bundle our CSS, so it's going to reduce, it's going to minify it, it's going to bundle our JS. If we have JavaScript code, it's going to compress the images, so it's going to do all of these wonderful things. So that's why I kind of told you don't have to worry about it, because damn, Netlify is just so amazing, and there's so much you can do here, and it's free. And it's just wonderful. You can also set up a custom domain if you have that. So if you have a custom domain, you can click here and you can just add your domain, verify, and it's actually a very, very simple process. But that's gonna be it. I'm glad you've been here with me all the way to the end of this course. Oh my God, thank you so much, and hope that this helped in any way. And yeah, I'm excited for the future, and hopefully the next course that we're going to be meeting at is going to be a JavaScript one or a design one. Who knows? We're going to see. But thank you again very much, and I will see you in the next one, my gorgeous friends on the internet. Bye-bye.